Hey guys, welcome to C++ programming tutorial. This is a series of C++ programming tutorial from beginners to advanced level. I am Ripon Datta. Now I am going to show you how to download the Eclipse and how to install it on your computer. So let's get started. Alright, now open your browser and write eclipse.org. Then click on downloads. Here are some different ID for different languages. We need Eclipse ID for C++ developers. Click here to download your software. Once you have downloaded your software, then you will get this Eclipse. So here is the eclipse.exe. Open it. This is the Eclipse editor. So if you want to write C++ source code, you have to go to File, New, C++ Project. If these options are not available in the new submenu, you have to go to Window, Open Perspective, Other, and select C++ as a default. Okay, then you will see this C++ project. Click on it. Give the project name, first program, hello world. This is a sample project. I am using Microsoft Visual C++, and click finish. Alright, then you can change your project. This is a simple text, hello programming world. Click build all, or right click on the project and click build project. Alright, then you can run the project. You have to select configuration. Yeah, here we go. This is our expected output, hello programming world. So in this way you can create any more project, like file, new, C++ project. In this case I'm using empty project, C++. Second program, click finish. This is your second program. Now I need to add C++ source file. So right click on the project name, new, C++. This is source file. Give a file name, second.cpp. Click finish. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. So see you soon in the next tutorials. Till then, bye bye.